Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to zoom in and zoom out a video in CapCut PC. So here, what you guys need to do is just add a video and click on it. Then you need to go to a video panel in here and click on the basic category, then add a keyframe on a scale here. Add a keyframe at the start, at the beginning of your video, then go to where you want the zoom in effect to start. For example, in here, add another keyframe, and here adjust the scale to the right like this to have a zoom in effect. Okay, so when it play, it will go like this. Okay, and after that you need to move forward again, then add another keyframe, and to have a zoom out effect you can just scale the video back to a smaller size. Just drag to the left like this. Okay, and after that you are done. So I'm going to show you the result. This is for the zoom in, and here is the okay, so that's a simple tutorial from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.